Hi there, this is Paul Pana. In this demo video, I'm gonna go through the Video Creator technology, our brand new and best ever creation, because Video Creator is the encyclopedia of video creation. Any kind of video you can imagine for any marketing goal is included in one single dashboard that is super easy to use and works right out of the box. You can create videos that have next generation animations, transitions, and 3D elements, which has never been done before. Before I jump into the application and show you how easy it is to work with, I want to show you the type of videos that it can create. Firstly, you can create incredible and amazing scroll stopper videos. These are videos that are for social media and very powerful for advertising or anything to do with getting people's attention and engagement. Next, we have motion tracking videos where you can actually have a real live person. This is footage that we've actually spent tens of thousands of dollars creating or even licensing, where you can actually use this for commercial purposes, and every element of it is actually customizable. In fact, not only can you put the actual logo or text like what you see here in realistic scenes, but behind the person, the three-dimensional background can also be put where you can put any background that you desire. In the case here, the person is sweeping a floor, you can actually change the background here to maybe an entrance of a cleaning company or maybe something related to that. We have different templates and different industries that you can interact with, but because of the fact that you can customize every element like the backgrounds and text, logos and all that, gives you unlimited flexibility, and nobody has ever done such high level of customization for these motion tracking videos. You can motion track people, objects, you can put logos on actual real human beings, and as well as people doing real activities like cleaning or acting or singing and dancing, or actually maybe bartending in a restaurant or in a bar, that kind of thing. And on top of that, the other great benefit here is you see that ABC loan company on your screen right now. That could be any company name. So we've actually done something called planar tracking, which allows you to literally put realistic business names onto real videos, and it's going to be perfect. It's as if it is a real actual logo or real business name there, which is again never been done before, very difficult to achieve, and we've cracked it. Next, we have the text to video conversion, as well as an ebook to 3D video animation book as well, that is added into the application, which is extraordinarily difficult and which was also added into the application. That means you can convert any ebook into a 3D animation video. That makes it phenomenally powerful to convert an ebook into a video. And secondly, you can have different variations of how that can be done with different styles. Firstly, as you can see on my screen, you can do it in a pop-up or a 3D effect book effect here. The next, you can do it in the sense that you could have a miniature video done with actual people, which is again never been done before. It's a huge pattern interrupt where people will be blown away by what you have to show them, and the customization that you can offer them as well is extraordinarily powerful. And every element of this is editable, including the background. You can put your own green screen video and have this effect created. As well, you can add your logo as well as any other objects into this actual scene. It offers incredible flexibility as well as customizations. Next, we have live action text messaging videos with real people communicating with each other, conversational videos of two people communicating, and that also can be customized for every text message, where you can customize what is being said and what is being communicated. These are proven to generate extremely high conversions for any marketing goal. We took it a step further with photorealistic 3D animation videos, where you don't need to hire a freelancer 3D animation specialist to create these high-end, big budget 3D characters as well as 3D animation videos, where we personally tested them in our own advertising and they performed extremely well. And we didn't stop there. We went in and added revolutionary e-commerce video ads with specific product mockups, which means imagine you have a case where you have a serum. You can put your logo, your text, and make a photorealistic serum. Or maybe it is a soda can, maybe it is a wine bottle, maybe it is any object you can desire pretty much is included. That means you as a video creator do not need any fancy video equipment, editing software, or anything like that to create photorealistic product mockups and e-commerce videos that are designed and proven from the ground up to actually get conversions and sales. You can go a step further and create Wix style ads where you have professional looking YouTube style commercials where people spend thousands of dollars to create with professional agencies. You can create that in just a couple of seconds within VideoCreator as well. You can go a step further and even have next generation SaaS app product demo videos as well as product presentations, which are proven to get sales. And we've seen people charging over $2,500 or more for each of these videos. And you can again create them within VideoCreator in just a few mouse clicks. Nothing has ever been done like this before because the high level picture perfect HD quality videos have never been replicated in one app. You have to use multiple apps to put them together, and you need to have a ton of skills to make them happen. Now it's as easy as just putting a few things together and generating the video and ready to having them rock. That's just the start. We have explainer videos, animated videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, local business videos, 3D visual effect videos with realistic dynamic scenes. We have social media videos, inbuilt video resizing so that you can actually resize these videos, say for example, into Snapchat, into maybe Instagram stories or whatever it is. You can convert an existing video into some of these other videos as well, because we have different dimension versions for those as well to drive more sales. And users can customize every element. So let me walk you through some of them. So let's say we wanted to do this 3D animated video here, right? So if you see this one, this is the template where users can, for instance, have an emotional 3D animation video with a 3D character like you see here, right? And some elements are customizable here, as you can see here. Now, in this case, if all I have to do is just click on this template, right? And use this template like so. And then here, as you can see on my screen, if I just show you that a little bit better so you can see it, it's as simple as 4 steps. You just have to go in here and you upload an image of your choice. This can be your logo, brand, whatever you desire here that is located. And the next thing that you have to do is just add in the text here. So this text can be anything that you desire. We have even fonts that you can change here. You see this, we have a ton of fonts, which no other application has ever done before, having these many fonts in one application for unlimited flexibility. We had to actually pay a lot of money and spend many months to add these fonts in, which every user gets as a special bonus included inside VideoCreator to basically showcase your brand in the way you like, in the font that you like, and in the language that you like as well. So you're not just stuck with the English language, right? So if I want to change anything, I just wanted to do it. This one is basically for somebody who is probably selling a consulting or for example therapy session type of an ad. So you want to change it over, you can change it to anything you want. So we can say something like welcome to our website or something like that, right? And then you can add that in, change the font like so. I go in here, maybe I like this this font, I can do that, click save, boom, that's done. And I can go right out of the gate, right? I go back to image right here, and then if I want to upload my logo here, I can do so. And here you go, my logo is in here. I just click proceed in the bottom and boom, I just have it ready. That's all it is to create that video. There are other videos such as the explainer videos that you see on my screen right now, where you can actually add your own background audio. This could be any type of audio. And the beauty is we have an AI engine built in, which is automatically going to shrink the size of your voiceover and make it match the actual video being played on screen, as well as do a lot of cool things to make it as professional as possible. So let's say we want to use this application and do this explainer video, whiteboard video. We can just go in here and just add in our voiceover here under the audio. And because this video is let's say 55 seconds long or whatever, it's going to automatically make sure that the audio that you upload will perfectly sync with the actual cropping that we do and all that behind the scenes. You put the images here in the direct placeholders. You have direct previews where you need to put what. You put the text here like so, right? And change every element here, super easy to do, and change the color of the text, the highlighting that is within it, and all that stuff. You have a really cool color picker here that you can change every element of it. And here's the best part, okay? Once you selected whatever you like to do, automatically once you create the videos, you'll find them under my videos here like so, right? And it's super easy for you to download the video, go back and edit the video, clone the video, and do all kinds of cool stuff. It's all in the cloud, so any video that is created is very easy, and we manage all the hosting in the cloud and all that good stuff. That means you can not only create professional videos with VideoCreator, but you can do them on the fly without having to worry about your computer slowing down or anything like that, because we render them on the cloud using our very powerful scaling technology that is built in. That in a nutshell is VideoCreator. We have some other advanced features such as background removal for images and logos. We have some other advanced features, for example, like millions of royalty-free assets that are built into the application that we've licensed and that people can bring into the application, as well as the ability for users to immediately start using any one of these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of templates across different industries. We've actually tested these in real scenarios and with real clients and real projects, and they've done extremely well, which is why when you're actually creating these videos, you will understand how powerful they are right out of the gate, and it'll allow you to do some excellent, extraordinary things with it. And by popular request by many of our valued customers, we are also including training specifically on how to merge multiple videos or even create ultra long length videos with VideoCreator. That means you don't have to be restricted unlike other apps where you're creating a short 10-second clip or a 5-second clip or a 15-second clip. You can actually create a long length commercial or an ad or even an explainer video using VideoCreator. That makes it extraordinarily valuable, where you can create, yes, the high-end animations and 3D rendering on the cloud and all that good stuff, but also the great flexibility of creating a longer length video. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy using VideoCreator as much as we enjoyed